St. Joseph's College was the first to be established in Trichy by the Jesuits. It has a heritage of more than 175 years.
St. Joseph's College had started management studies in the year 2007, and it was started to cater to the needs of world-class management professionals. And it also has an additional purpose, that is, to contribute to the process of social development.
I was bent on becoming a successful manager. I began to look for a good B school with reasonable tuition fee. I then got to know about GIM.
As a Jesuit institute, our primary objective is to create men and women for others. The difference in GIM is that we create people with commitment, competency, and conscience.
After my undergraduation, I was in a dilemma about which college to choose to pursue my post-graduation in management studies. I opted for GIM because when I arrived here, I just felt that this is where they make quality managers for the world. GIM has a serene environment and a modern infrastructure.
It is one of the leading B schools in Trichy with good infrastructure, adequate facility, highly trained faculty with certificate courses and scholarship.
After the global economic crisis, there are questions on what MBAs contribute to the world. The inadequacy of MBA education in addressing the issues of development of core value and character building has been seen. Therefore, we create competent managers without sacrificing values.
In B schools today, we need faculty who challenge students with real-world business problems. Students must have a global perspective, coupled with leadership skills to straddle the competitive lanes of the corporate world. GIM has such faculty. Their wisdom and experience leave no stone unturned in the process of developing potential students into mature leaders.
One of the cliches of GIM is focus on your strength and follow your passion. I have a passion to become a legend in the business world. My strength is my creativity. I am confident that I would be able to swim against the current.
When I began the management course, I feared whether I would make it till the end. My colleagues helped me to overcome my fear. I was an introvert. I worked hard to come out of my shell. The professors motivated me. I was exposed to a lot of group discussions, social activities and cultural activities. I have gained confidence. I now participate in all activities, take initiatives, and I am ready to lead the world.
Our library has a rich collection of books, journals and periodicals that help quench the thirst of knowledge. We have a good computer laboratory with its cutting-edge technology. It gives a competitive edge to the students. On the whole, GIM ensures that the students access the best content and method, forming them to cope with diversity in cultures, work styles and mindsets.
If you are looking to become a manager, then GIM is in the place for you. We form leaders with a vision for a better world tomorrow. For GIM creates leaders who are talented and in turn are delighted to see their dreams come true. If you want to realize your dreams, then don't hesitate to join us.
As a potter molds the clay to give it shape, GIM molded and equipped me. I discovered myself. I never knew that I could be a good leader till I became the student vice president of GIMA, which is a respectable and privileged position among the students.
In GIM, all through the course, I was directly assisted by one of our faculty. We call it mentoring program. As a mother embraces her child, we are being embraced by our mentors who accompany us as an experienced friend. They assist us in doing our project and help us to strengthen our interpersonal and communication skills.
Here in GYM, classroom learning is blended with industrial visit and training. I got to visit India's most renowned manufacturing industries like Imperial Tobacco Company of India Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Bosch at Bangalore. Moreover, I was able to gain hands-on experience of working in one of the world's leading consumer goods company, that is Hindustan Unilever Limited. The training was a turning point in my life as it has exposed me to the corporate world.
To make us aware of the global work environment, opportunities and its implications, an international conference is held every year that constitutes the participation of experts from the industry and students from other colleges.
GYM aims to develop proactive management professionals and change agents with the highest degree of integrity and ethical values. Our curriculum provides sound, fundamental business knowledge with specialization in key functional areas. We follow a case-driven pedagogy. We form a huge stable of able managers.
The positive learning that I got from the gym and the unique training given by the staff has helped me to become efficient. I'm able to take up the responsibilities and also the stress that accompanies it. Thanks to GYM, in GYM, there is room for active interaction between alumni, the staff, and the students.
The driving force in my case to do MBA was to acquire broader perspectives into the socio-economic situation of the society. Transferring management philosophy remains the core function of every B school, but that's not all. Society today needs managers with social consciousness, empathy towards underprivileged and the minority. GYM does it through its Shepherd program. I am now convinced that I need to go beyond my family, that I am responsible for my society.
Placement is one of the biggest strengths of any institute. GYM has many corporate as its campus partners, which includes HCL, HUL, Asian Paints and so on. It has established its name in the corporate world as a visionary leader.
Studying in GYM with all the industrial exposure and trainings, I have not only grown as a student of management but as a professional in the field. Such exposure bridges the gap between academic knowledge and industrial skill in my future assignments and career development.
GYM has an exciting educative atmosphere. Our academics are supplemented with leisure and co-curricular activities like culturals, competitions and sports. It makes me feel totally at home. For me, it's more than a mere education institution.
GYM fosters critical thinking, intellectual inquiry, multiculturalism and diversity, all important elements that combine to create a collaborative learning environment.
The journey at GYM is unforgettable and enriching that we, the students, never actually want it to end. The students are groomed, eventually rising to become proud assets of their employers and leaders of the country.
I am happy that I am a GYM.
I chose GYM.
I am proud to be a part of GYM.
It's my home.
It's a privilege to be a part of GYM.